Welcome to my YouTube channel Red and today in the magnetism we will see what is the concept for the radius, okay, and how we will calculate the radius we will see, okay. So suppose that there is one charge particle which is at a distance of r, okay, and it is moving like this in a circle, okay. So the centrifugal force will be equal to mv square by r, okay. So r is here the radius and is the mass of this charged particle, okay, and since the magnetic field here is B, magnetic field is B, okay, so the force due to magnetic field will be QB into B, okay, force due to magnetic field is QBB and the force due to centrifugal force is mv square by r, okay. So if we do the force balance on this particle, mv square by r is equals to QB V, okay. So V is here the velocity with which the particle is moving, and here the velocity is equal to V equal to r omega. Omega is the angular velocity, okay. So V is the translational velocity. So mv square by r is equal to qvb, okay. So mv by r is equal to q into v, okay. So r is equal to mv by qb. So like this we can find what is the radius when a charged particle is in the magnetic field B and revolving around the radius of r, okay. So like this we can calculate what is the radius, and in this we have to remember that the force in the magnetic field is QBB, okay. And if we write this force in terms of vector, what is this? F is equal to QB cross B, the cross product between the velocity vector and the magnetic field vector, okay. So like this we will find what is the force, and if we have to find what is the radius of the charged particle, we can directly use this formula r is equal to mv by qb, okay. Q is the charge of this charged particle and m is the mass, okay. So like this we can calculate also the force. F is equal to q b cross b. So suppose that there is a problem in which it is given that this velocity vector is 2i plus 2j plus 2k, okay, and this magnetic field vector is 2i plus j, okay. So how we will find this force, okay. So force will be equal to qb cross b. Suppose that this charge is equal to q is equal to 1. So what will be the force on this charged particle? Force is equal to qb cross b. So what is qb cross b? F is equal to q is 1, b is 2i plus 2j plus 2k, and b is 2i plus j, okay. So if we solve it further, how we will solve? So 2 will be here common, okay. So f is equal to 2 I plus j plus k cross 2i plus j, okay. So 2 into I cross I 0, I cross j k, so k plus j cross I minus k, so minus 2k, minus 2k j cross j 0, k cross I j, so plus 2j, and k cross j minus I, so minus I, okay. So 2 minus k plus 2j